Hey little kids, today I'm going to draw for you some special things that likes every girl very much. Today I'm drawing for you some important things of hair like hair dryer, mirror, comb, scissor. So let's see how I draw all the things. Here I draw a cute hair dryer. Now I'm drawing for you a beautiful hand mirror. Here I am drawing a beautiful comb. Now I'm drawing a scissor. When we cut our hair, we need it. And comb, mirror and hair dryer, we use all the things every day. Now it's time to color it. Here I'm using deep blue color for the comb. Now I'm using the red color for this beautiful bow. I'm also using red color for this mirror bow. And now I'm using deep pink color for the mirror. Now I'm using the light blue color for the mirror glass. We always use light blue color to indicate a glass. You can use any kinds of color for these cute bows and hearts. I'm using deep purple color for the hairdress wear. Here I am using the green color for this hair dryer. This color is looking so beautiful and the hair dryer is looking so cute. Now it's time to color the scissor. I'm using the orange color for this scissor. I complete to color the picture. Now it's your turn. You should try it at home. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little friends.